Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. In this video, I share one of my favorite herbal tea blends that I make and grow right here in my garden. Oh no, you guys, I just got out here and I'm feeling raindrops. Here we have some rosemary, great from memory. Sage is lovely as well. Sage supports cognitive function, managing menopause symptoms, boosting the immune system, and promoting overall health. The rain is coming down. It's been raining all week. I've been catching rainwater in buckets. Make plans and then watch life throw you a curveball. We won't let this rain stop us. ELOC Nation, I'll meet you on my backyard deck. Welcome to Backyard Deck Gardening. This is lemon balm. We're not using it today. What I am looking for is spearmint. Here she is. And this is spearmint. Spearmint may help to balance hormones, helps to ease digestive discomfort, rich in antioxidants, which can help protect cells from damage, may help to reduce stress and improve sleep quality, also memory improvement. And peppermint. Peppermint is known for its ability to soothe the stomach, relieve bloating, and ease symptoms of IBS, also headache relief, respiratory support, anti-inflammatory, and oral health. As you can see, I have rosemary growing in more than one spot. It's rich in antioxidants, improves digestion, also enhances cognitive function, anti-inflammatory, another one of those immune system supports, pain relief due to its anti-inflammatory properties and the ability to improve blood circulation, also mood and stress relief, as well as heart health, hair growth, vision, and eye health. It's a powerhouse. And this is spearmint. And this one is the peppermint leaf.
OCD chick, she don't follow, she lead. She plant it, she grow it, she live what she speak.
Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.